Hey there, it's Max, and we're going to talk about how to do a non-wrapping multiplication on a slide rule. What a day it is. This will be fun. So I actually found this document to be the most helpful thing on learning how to use a slide rule. I didn't really find many good YouTube videos. I thought this was like the easiest way to go about doing it. So for simple multiplication, I hope you watched the first video where we talk about how to like slide rule basics and the naming convention of it. You want to move the left index to the number that you want to do multiplication on. So for instance, if you want to do 2.3 time, we want to move the left index to 2.3 right here. Actually, I'll just do it in here. This will probably be easier. I think that's easier to see. So we want to move the left index to be at 2.3. So we can see there's ticks of groupings of 10, and so we know that that's going to be 2.1, 2.2, and 2.3. Cool. And the other number we want to do multiplication with is 3.4. So we have lined up the C scale to be at 2.3 on the D scale. And now we want to go all the way to whatever the number was here, 3.4. So if we go to 3.4 on the C scale, then the answer to this will be on the D scale. And we can see here that it's between 7 and 8. This is going to be 7.5. And then I think that's going to be like, so it's going to be 7.6, 7.7, 7.8 is exactly on the dot what we're going to have. So, cool. So that's how you do simple multiplication. Notice there's a difference between wrapping. So if you do like 5 times 2, that requires a slightly different operation, and that will be in the next video. So let's do a different number. Let's do 2 times 4. So we'll reset all this stuff. So first, we need to move the index to the first number we're going to multiply by. So we're going to go to 2. Then we need to move the cursor and hairline to the second number we want to multiply by on the C scale. So if we're doing 2 times 4, we have 2 on the C scale. So we want to move all the way to 4 on the C scale. And the answer is right on the D scale, right here, the 8. So 2 times 4 is 8. We just slid the left index to here and then moved it all the way over to the 4 over here. And then the D scale has our solution. Cool. So the 2 times 4 is a simpler case. You can also do this with decimals. You just have to be careful with where you're putting the ticks at and the rounding. So for instance, if we want to do 2.1 times 3, we want to go to 2.1. We can see that this is the halfway point between 2 and 3. So these are likely ticks of 0.1. So we know that's at 2.1. And then I said 3, I believe. So we're going to move this to 3 on the C scale. You can see that this is between 6 and 7. We know that this is the halfway point. And this is about the halfway point there. So is actually the halfway point? Yeah, I would gain it's like 6.25 or something like that. Now, it's pretty important to be able to do these sorts of rounding in your head, and you can do this by multiplying the other numbers. This isn't the perfect solution for everything, but these people that use these were all very good at doing rounding and various things in their head. So cool. That's how you do the slide rule for basic multiplication. Thanks for watching.